Hello and hi friends. Today we are going to read about combustion. Combustion objectives. After seeing the video, you will be able to know what is combustion and the factors required for combustion. Combustion. Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat. Some substance may also give light along with the heat combustion during combustion. Then we have to know what is combustible substance. A substance which can undergo combustion is called combustible substance. A combustible substance is also called fuel. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. Non-combustible substances. A substance which undergo combustion is called non-combustible substances. Factors required for combustion. A combustible substance, oxygen. Then the main is ignition temperature. First we have to know what is ignition temperature. The minimum temperature at which combustion starts in a substance is called ignition temperature of that substance. Then inflammable substances. A substance which has very low ignition temperature so that it can easily catch fire is called an inflammable substance. Example: petrol, coal, etc. Then we have to know about how to control our fire. Fire control. Fire is highly useful for human beings. But while controlled fire is beneficial for us, uncontrolled fire can be devastating for us. Fire can be controlled by removing any or all of the factors of combustion. That is fuel, oxygen, and ignition temperature, or by lowering the temperature. Now, the burning substance or fuel cannot be removed in most of the cases of fire. Different methods can be utilized to cut off the supply of air. If a suitable substance is poured over the burning material, it can reduce the temperature and even bring down the temperature below the ignition temperature. So write the notes. 1 minute. Wait. One minute. Write the notes. First is combustion. What is combustion? Then the combustible substances and non-combustible substances. Then the factors required for combustion. The factors are a combustible substance, oxygen, ignition temperature, that is the minimum temperature at which the combustion starts burning, is called ignition temperature. Then inflammable substance. A substance which has very low ignition temperature so that it can easily catch fire is called an inflammable substance. For example, petrol, alcohol, etc. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos.